Natural farming ki matang da extension officer amade field functionary singi OIBA Numit Nini ki training program ama Ngasi Lamphelpat Da Leiba Institute of Cooperative Management Icm Da Loishinkhre Regional Center for Extension and Natural Farming Imphal na ICM Imphal ga khutsam naduna pangthokpa training program adu loishinbagi thoramda Kaugi Directorate of Extension Education ki Director Professor PS Ranjit Sharma ICM Imphal ki Director Khoichung Rangamlen Aimol RCONF के Deputy Director Dr. VY Diogar, Junior Scientific Officer Narendra Chaudhary amade ICM की Faculty Dipu Rastongbraham na amade Dr. Langlen Yaifabi Laistrom na chingbasu sarugyaki. Thoramadda training program aduda sarugyaki ba Extension Officer amade Field Functionary kunromda training adugi certificate sing yantoki. Thoramaduga mari lainana akauge Directorate of Extension Education ki Director Professor PH Ranjit Sharma na hai ngasi status gi lomi kaya organic farming romda mai onsilakpagi fibam amada lakliba si apaba khongthang amane. Natural farming ki lamda degree course hangba institute ase kauna ahanbani university asida integrated farming system su hodokre lau singu ki thabak singda har sizinabagi wakhalon thadoktuna organic farming romda mai onsilase training asida saruk yariba singna natural farming ki matangda pak sana khanghanbada achoba mateng ama oiragani haina su mahakna makha taki
har hafta bida ya tawre hoji Manipur. We really thank sir our farmers of the Manipur, especially the Khoijumang, to the Bishenpur side and others. They have already started. It's all organic system, sir. But in the northeastern region, I should say, sir, our university, Central Agriculture University, is the first agriculture university to introduce degree course in the natural farming. It recently started in the state of the Meghalaya, in the College of Agriculture, Kedrin Kulai. Akoi Bharat da ihan hamba natural farming ki college degree course dikhat pache. Akoi Central Agriculture University ki makha da leiba college, karai da leiba, Kedrin Kulai da leiba College of Agriculture da koi degree program ho khabani.